Today, let's discuss about the autocratic leadership. This particular leadership style, also known as authoritarian leadership, is a style where the leader makes decisions unilaterally, often without much input from group members. I think in the recent happenings, we all know a leader like that. This style is characterized by individual control over all decisions and little input from team members. Autocratic leaders typically make choices based on their ideas and judgments and rarely accept advice from followers. Let's consider some examples of this specific leadership style. Perhaps the most recognizable example of autocratic leadership is in the military. Decisions need to be made quickly and commands followed without question for operational effectiveness. In the business world, Steve Jobs of Apple is often cited as an autocratic leader. Jobs had a clear vision for his products and was known for his hands-on approach and his demand for excellence. His leadership style led to innovative products and the resurgence of Apple as a tech giant. Leaders like Winston Churchill also exhibited autocratic tendencies during those world wars. Churchill's decision and resolute leadership was critical in navigating Britain through the challenges of the war. So what are the pros of autocratic leadership? 1. Scholars do argue that autocratic leadership can be highly efficient as decisions are made quickly without the need for consultation. According to John Cotter, a professor at Harvard Business School, in times of crisis, a swift and authoritative decision can be beneficial. This leadership style provides clear expectations and directions. As Daniel Goleman points out in his book, Primal Leadership, an autocratic leader's clear vision can drive high levels of performance, especially in high-pressure environments. When a single leader makes decisions, there is consistency in the approach and its implementation, reducing the risk of conflicting directives. So does it also have any disadvantages? Let's look at that. Autocratic leadership stifles creativity and innovation. When the team members are not involved in decision making, they are less likely to contribute new ideas, which can hinder progress. It has been noted that autocratic leadership can lead to low morale and high turnover. When employees feel their voices are not heard, they may become disengaged and unmotivated. Number 3, this style can also create a dependency on the leader, which is problematic if the leader is absent. As pointed out by leadership expert Bernard Bass, organizations relying too heavily on one individual can struggle with continuity and adaptability. While autocratic leadership has its place, particularly in environments requiring quick decisions and strong control, the effectiveness of this style depends on the context and the individuals involved. In some scenarios, such as during a crisis or when dealing with inexperienced teams, autocratic leadership can provide the necessary direction and stability. However, in more creative and collaborative environments, this approach can suppress team potential and innovation. As with any leadership style, understanding when and how to apply autocratic principles can make the very difference between success and failure. Leaders must assess their context and adapt their approach to best suit the needs of their team and organizational objectives. So that was your leadership tip for today.